Hello, so today we're going to demonstrate how to make the Christmas ornament wreath. The things you're going to need are, of course, some Christmas ornaments first. It will take about 60 Christmas ornaments to complete this project. Some garland. You will need a bow or some ribbon to make a bow. Wire cutters. A good old-fashioned wire hanger. And some glue. Gorilla Glue is a good option. E6000 is always a good craft glue. I'll be using hot glue, but you could also do this with super glue. The first thing you're going to do is snip your wire hanger right about where the first bend in the hanger is. And then you're going to take some pliers and bend this into a little loop, like you can see here. That's just going to allow this to go back in later after we finish. And you're going to take the rest of the wire hanger and try to bend it straight. I like to use pliers for that. Bend it as straight as you can at the curves. And then we're going to reshape it so that it forms a circle. And that's going to be what your ornaments go on to. So the first thing you're going to do though is take your ornaments and take these little plastic parts off. We need to glue those back on so they're more secure. The first time I did this project, I didn't do that. And what happened as soon as I started stringing them on, there was pressure on the ornaments and a lot of these popped right off. The first time it was moved, a lot of them fell off. So to avoid that, first thing you're going to do is take these off and glue them back on. So I like to use hot glue for this, but again, E6000, super glue, clear Gorilla Glue, any of those will work. Once you have all of these glued, you will just start to string your ornaments on like you would a beaded necklace. So I have one that I started here. Start stringing them onto your wire. And this one I did a red, green, white, or white, green, red pattern. You could do it just random. You could make a pattern, depends on your color choices. When you get to the end, your cutoff end is going to go back into the loop that we made to begin with. Now, if you got your project kit from the Art Connection with me, this part of this has been done for you, but you will need to bend that wire hanger back so they stay together. Now you'll notice once you do this, there's going to be a couple of spaces toward the top and along the way that you think looked a little too bare, like I don't like this spot there. That's when you just take a couple extra of your ornaments and glue them back in there. I will glue them right to the ornaments on either side. So we can get that nice and full. That's going to happen at the top most because of the way that we're connecting the wire hangers. Gonna leave a little space. Just put a little glue on the ornaments around it and fill that back in. The next thing we're gonna do is take our garland and kind of weave it in and out of those ornaments. Again, you're just making it a little bit more full. use the garland to fill in any spots that look a little bit bare. I don't glue here, I just kind of weave in and out around. And I'll do the same thing with red. Make it nice and full, sparkly. Okay. So the hanger on your wire hanger, you can bend it back, push it forward, however you want to do it to hang your wreath. Add any embellishments that you wish to add. Tuck these in wherever you want them. And then just add your bow. I like to put my bow on the top. It hides this hanger really nice. And that's about it. This project is easier than it looks. They're beautiful wreaths. Add some embellishments, add some sparkles, do it however you want. If you want a little bit more detailed written instructions with some pictures, they're available also. But I think the video sometimes helps a little bit more. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, ladies.